Hi, if you're new here, welcome, honey. And for my honeys, how have you been, honey? So today we'll be doing JT's look from OK, like OK. You know the song probably you've heard it say, "Where my I'm pretty," and other he's saying, he, I just realized how much that song is. There's so much, so a lot of swearing words. But anyway, let's get into it. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with those. No, this is awkward because you're just you're just like looking at my lips and not in the video. Why did I do that? It's giving a big star. It looks decent. It's giving a star, right? I think I'm done with my star. Then I'm gonna go into the line. If I remember correctly, she didn't have a liner. Below her lips. Below this time. Okay, I was trying to smile, but I can't even smile because my lips are super dry. Okay, I'm going to put on the setting powder again, just so that it doesn't transfer when I put on lip gloss. Because this is face paint, like if you don't set it. Is it proof? Is it smudge proof? Woo! But I don't think the makeup artist did so much like me. When he or she, I don't know, who the makeup artist JT is. But I doubt
Possibly she could be the makeup artist because her makeup is usually the same, you know. But I'm not sure.
Now for the part that I'm scared of. I'm using Essence.
So I'm using Essence lip gloss to get like the gloss and to obviously bring my lips back to life because they were dry, ashy child. They were so dry, I couldn't even smile. But this lip gloss, honey, it's actually a lip plumbing, but plumbing or pumping, I don't know. I'll double check the spelling. But anyway, it's so amazing. It's like doing lots of work, you know. Look at my lips, how glowing they are already. I mean, I'm still applying, but already you can see the difference. And honestly, the setting powder, wait, I don't know what happened to my brain, but honey, the creativity was on. And I was thinking that I have to set it all the time so that the face paint does not move. And look at the lips, honey. Oh, they ate. This look is my favorite. So I realized after that actually JT had the lip liner all around her lips, but then I was like, it's still fine even if I didn't like do the liner around below the star, cause it's actually a makeup inspo, not like I wasn't copying her makeup completely. But yeah, this ate. I don't wanna lie, this ate. I was like, okay, you did that, K Rosette.
Sickening. 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 Ooh! This lip gloss. I don't know. Is this smudge proof? It did not move. K Rosette? K Rosette? Honey, you ate this look up. Like. Okay, let me move. Okay. I'm done with look 1. Now we're gonna move to look 2. Hopefully I get proper pictures. Let me take pictures some more. I'm back. I'm gonna create a second look. I'm just gonna apply on top of this one to make my lips like black. I do have a black lipstick somewhere, but I'm not sure is it. So I'm using the face paints again. It's the setting powder that's there all over. Because also JT has like juicy lipstick. They're not like dry. It's not matte. So yeah. My DJT say, mwah, no birds. Hey, okay. For this nigga, get your bags up. We ain't tricking, nigga. Get your lands up. Mwah, no birds. The first song ever that I liked. I was just saying that the first ever time I saw JT, like I knew who JT was. Like the first time I was like so interested. I'm like, this girl is so dope. I have to know her music and everything. It was the remix from Said Sam. You know, because she ate that mess up, and I like the fact that she was the intro because it just made sense. She's like, if you don't know the song, I'll put the song like on the background. She's like, oh, this nigga. JT, they do them. Oh, I shouldn't be swearing, but you wanna manage in your body, then you me because I came from the bottom, bitching insane, period. Then that's it. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this short clip with me showing you how I recreated lips from I always say JT lips, but But I like this one. Yeah, I just did like add a little bit of eyeliner so that it gets serious. It's giving. Don't play with me. Okay, bye. See you next time. Mwah.